Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Snapchat something went wrong error on Android devices. So if you are also coming through this or error, then the solutions suggested in this video guide will surely help you. So let's go through the methods. So first is to restart your device. So whenever you come across such kind of errors, so simply restart your device once. For that, simply press the power and volume up button, and this kind of options will occur. So simply click on restart. After restarting your phone, now check if the Snapchat error is resolved or not. If not, then you should check whether the Snapchat is down or something like that. So for that, go to the search option and then search for Snapchat down detector, and now click on the website, and after that here you can see if there is any issue on the app. So if there is any server downtime, so you need to wait for some time, and after that again check whether the Snapchat issue is resolved or not. Or you can also visit the Snapchat official website on X, and after that if there is any issue, you simply need to wait for some time and then try again later on. Next solution is to check your internet connection. So make sure your internet is stable, and if there is any internet connection problem, then you can come across something went wrong error on Snapchat. So if you are using mobile data, then go to Wi-Fi or do vice versa, and after that check if the error is resolved. Next is to restart the Snapchat app. For that, if it's running on background, then you need to simply close it by going to the app by clicking on three icon over here and then click on cross icon. So this will close the app completely. So if it's on recent apps, then simply close the app, and after that again log into the app and check if it's working now. Next solution is to clear the Snapchat cache. So what you need to do is simply hold the icon over here, then click on I option, and after that click on storage and cache, and here you need to click on clear cache option. So after clearing the cache, now check if Snapchat is working or not. If not, you also need to check whether the Snapchat app needs any update. For that, go to Google Play Store, search for Snapchat, and here you will be able to see if there is any update available. So if there is any update, just tap on the update option, and once your app is updated, now try to launch the app and check if it's working without any problem. If not, then the final step is to reinstall Snapchat. So for that, hold the Snapchat icon over here, then click on delete icon, and then click on uninstall. So after uninstalling, again go back to Google Play Store, search for the app and install it, and after that again launch the app, log in with your username and password, and then check if the error you are coming across on Snapchat is resolved or not. So these are few solutions suggested to resolve the issue on your Android devices. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.